If you've been sitting there, stuck, straining, and desperately Googling for solutions, I want you to stop, just for a moment. Because what if the fastest way to get things moving isn't something you swallow, but something you press? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to massage your abdomen to gently and naturally encourage movement, often within minutes. It might feel a little strange at first, but it's weirdly effective. And yes, this is firmly backed by science. Why poop gets stuck in the first place? To understand why this works, you need to know what's actually happening inside. Constipation isn't just about what you eat. It's often about how your digestive system is functioning. Your intestines use wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis to move waste along. When this process slows down, due to stress, dehydration, or simply sitting too much, stool can become sluggish and get stuck. Gas builds up, creating uncomfortable pressure, and the muscles in your gut can actually tighten from anxiety, creating functional kinks. Abdominal massage works by physically stimulating the nerves that trigger peristalsis and by helping to manually guide stool along the natural path of your colon. Think of it like gently helping toothpaste out of a nearly empty tube, but from the outside. Hey friends, before we jump into the techniques, I wanted to share something with you personally. Right now, 99% of you watching are not subscribed to the channel. If you find these tips helpful, I'd be so grateful if you'd hit that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps you stay in the loop with all our new content. And now, let's get into the first technique together. Massage. Step number 1. The I love you pattern for your colon. This first technique is a classic and for good reason. It's called the I love you massage because you literally trace the letters I, L, and U over your colon. Here's how to do it precisely. Position. Lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent. This relaxes your abdominal muscles. You can also sit comfortably if that's easier. Preparation. Rub your hands together to warm them. You can use a small amount of castor oil, olive oil, or magnesium oil to help your fingers glide smoothly. The pattern. I. Using the flats of your fingers, stroke firmly but gently down the left side of your abdomen. This follows your descending colon. L. Next, stroke across the top of your abdomen from your right hip bone to your left rib cage, following the transverse colon, and then down the left side again. U. Finally, start at the lower right side of your abdomen by your hip bone. Stroke up toward your ribs, across the top, and then down the left side. Repeat this entire ILU sequence 5 to 10 times, using gentle, consistent pressure in a circular motion as you go. Breathe deeply throughout. Step number 2. The clockwise spiral. This technique targets the entire abdominal area in the same direction your digestion naturally flows. Position. Same comfortable position on your back. The motion. Place 2 or 3 fingers at the lower right part of your belly, just inside your hip bone. This is where your ascending colon begins. The spiral. Using light to moderate pressure, begin making small, slow clockwise circles. Gradually spiral your way inward and upward, moving toward your navel. Your circles should get smaller as you approach the center. Duration. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes on this entire spiral pattern. The key is to keep your breathing slow and relaxed. This tells your nervous system it's safe to rest and digest. Step number 3. Gas relief pressure points. Trapped. Gas is a major culprit behind that feeling of being stuck. These acupressure points can provide surprising relief. Locate the points. Find the 2 points just inside the front of your hip bones on both the left and right sides. The technique. Use 2 fingers to apply steady downward pressure on 1 point. Hold for a count of 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this 5 to 7 times on one side, then switch to the other. Why it works. This targeted pressure can help release gas pockets and ease tension in the sigmoid colon, the final S-shaped section where stool often gets lodged before a bowel movement. Step number 4, the abdominal shake to loosen tension. This might feel the silliest, but it's incredibly effective for releasing deep muscular tension. How to do it? Lie on your back and place your palms flat on your lower abdomen. Gently and rapidly jiggle your hands from side to side, creating a light, shaking vibration through your belly. Duration: just 1 to 2 minutes is all you need. The science: this high-frequency vibration helps to neurologically reset and relax the smooth muscles of the intestines, loosening tension and stimulating nerve pathways. It feels silly, but it works. Bonus: how to supercharge the massage's effectiveness. To make these techniques even more powerful, combine them with these simple before and after rituals. Before you start, drink 1 large glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. The warmth and hydration help soften stool, and lemon can stimulate bile production. Take a 5 to 10 minute brisk walk or do 10 to 15 gentle bodyweight squats. Physical movement gets everything shifting internally before you even lie down. Immediately after the massage, sit on the toilet in the optimal position. Use a small stool to raise your feet so your knees are higher than your hips, the squatty potty position. This straightens the rectum for easier passage. While on the toilet, try slow, deep belly breathing or even low humming. This activates the vagus nerve, which commands your body to relax and can trigger the urge to go. A critical safety note: when not to massage. As effective as this is, it's not for everyone. Do not perform abdominal massage if you experience any of the following: severe, sharp, or worsening abdominal pain, any recent abdominal surgery, or if you have a known hernia. If you are pregnant, unless specifically cleared by your doctor. Signs of a complete bowel obstruction. This includes passing no gas at all, no stool for more than 3 days, or vomiting. This massage is designed for mild to moderate functional constipation, not for medical emergencies. Foods and drinks to support healthy digestion. Foods: high fiber fruits, prunes, pears, apples, berries. Leafy greens: spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Probiotic-rich foods: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Whole grains: oats, quinoa, whole wheat bread. Drinks: water, essential for softening stool. Warm lemon water stimulates digestion in the morning. Peppermint or ginger tea can help soothe and relax gut muscles. Prune juice, a natural, well-known laxative. The Gentle Move Morning Elixir. This warm, spiced drink is my go-to for gently waking up the digestive system. It's incredibly simple, and the ingredients work together to hydrate, soothe, and stimulate natural movement. Why it works: warm water hydrates and helps relax digestive muscles. Lemon stimulates bile production for fat digestion. Ginger, a natural prokinetic, meaning it encourages the muscles of your gut to contract. Raw honey, optional, a mild prebiotic to feed good gut bacteria. Ingredients: 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of warm, not boiling, water. Juice of 1/2 a fresh lemon. 3 to 4 thin slices of fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. 1 teaspoon of raw honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Add the fresh ginger slices to your mug. 2. Pour the warm water over them and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. 4. Stir in the honey last if using. How to use it: drink this elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes and then perform the abdominal massage. The combination is wonderfully effective. Constipation isn't just about what you put in your mouth. It's about the flow and function of your entire digestive system. These massage techniques are designed to wake up a sluggish gut and manually guide things along their natural path without harsh chemicals or stimulants. Your body is designed to move, and so is your digestion. I want to hear about your experience. Try this routine tonight and then come back here to tell me which technique gave you the most relief. Was it the I love you pattern or the abdominal shake? Your real world results in the comments could be the sign someone else needs to finally find relief. If you're ready for more natural, science-backed health solutions that actually respect your body, subscribe to the channel. We're on a mission to reach 10,000 subscribers, and your support helps us create more content that cuts through the noise and delivers what truly works.